Okay, everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today I will be showing you a box, but not just any box. This is a video where I will be doing an unboxing of some homeschooling resources that we have purchased as a family as we move into this new season of homeschooling. So let me see if I can set down this camera and get started. Okay, one side is open. All right, got some light. All right, let me see. There's a little spot here that's torn. And some of you are probably thinking that I should have my tools with me to just cut and pull away this, which is probably a good idea. But the scissors that I would normally use for these things, I cannot find those scissors. Hence and therefore, okay, wow, okay, here we go, guys. So this is what is this? A receipt? No. Some Amazon code thing. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Genesis curriculum, the book of Genesis by Lee. I pronounce her name as Giles. I'm not sure if that's how it's actually pronounced. So this is an completely offline curriculum designed by that lady whose name I can't pronounce, and it gives you a table of contents here that shows you obviously what is in the book itself. Okay, so here we have pages for each what? I'm not even sure. Is this it says paragraph writing. Oh, there is a page for how to use it. Okay, let's go. How to use it, page 5. Okay. Page 5. You read through the outline to your children. When a line asks a question, stop and let your children answer before you read the answer I give on the next line. Where I include a note, I'm talking to you, and you can just read that to yourself. All right, so as a homeschool curriculum, I encourage you to make this your own. It's prepared and ready to be picked up and used as is, but you are a homeschooler. You get to adapt it to your family, however it works best for you, which is really cool. I will walk you through it and give you some ideas for how to use its sections. Okay, so you just go section by section. It gives you more details, which I'm not going to go through right now. Then there's a list of materials that she recommends, and picture of day 96 activity. I'm not sure what that is. All right, so here we have something about writing instruction. Right, basically it's outlined for you. So this is like day 19. So each day has its own outline, right? And then you have a review. Here's a section that has a science review 1, and they tell you the name herbivores, carnivores, give you a writing activity. Then you have day 30. So let me see. So where is day 1? Day 8. Day 7. This must be day 6. All right. So, but that is Genesis curriculum. However, I think the age group that this was meant for is a bit older than my children. So what I also got is what's called Giant Leap, which is for the age group of, I think it's about 6. Yeah, it says this book is aimed at children ages 5 and 6. Now this is gonna take you through letters and the sounds, breaking up the sounds. So you're gonna get some words and math in it, and this, right, so this is for 5 and 6. Then we also have another one that's called Big Step. This is Big Step, right? So it's this Big Step, and this one now is also day-to-day lessons broken down, but this is for age 4 and 5. So this would be more for my 4 and 5, my 4-year-olds. We also have another resource here, which is the map book, which takes you through, you know, some of the maps which I'm excited to use, right, with the children in relation to the lessons as well as just on our own. So this is the map book. And so going back to this big fat book here, which I think, yes, I'm gonna use this for my oldest child. She's 7, right? So this is the actual workbook now, where she will do her actual work each day. So paragraph writing, writing sentences. So for example, this says, change each sentence to begin with a capital letter and to end with the correct punctuation mark. So that will be good for her. Right, so the good thing is that it's all there. It's all in, wow, science. They're supposed to draw a double helix. Good stuff. Social studies, name the countries of the Middle East. What you saying? Oh, Hebrew writing? Are you kidding me? There's Hebrew writing in there. All right. So the victory of homeschooling is that I get to do it how I want to do it, at the pace I want to do it, and to incorporate what I want to incorporate. And the good thing about the Genesis curriculum, and Lee, forgive me for not being able to pronounce her name, but she has an online version of it, which I can always use materials from there to supplement these things. So we're on our way, people. This is what we're using for homeschool this coming September. I think we might begin to wet our feet from in the summer, but this is what it's all about. As I said, I'm going to supplement it with materials from the online all-in-one homeschool.com, as well as anything else I think they need to learn. Or Jamaican history. I have a book there for Jamaican history that we'll go through from time to time. Yeah, so that's it. And if you ask about the cost, I don't remember the exact prices for these, but the amount in terms of shipping and everything came up to about 20, around it's about 20,000. It probably was a little bit more. And I'll say that 20,000 Jamaican. I say that because at first, looking at homeschool, it might look like it's expensive. But when I calculate, for example, just their lunch, my children's lunch, 3 of them for the month, it would have been 20,000. So these books already have been paid for, so to speak. So staying home, we're not going to be paying that money for their lunch. And therefore, I directed that money, so to speak, into these curriculum books. And we'll just take it from there and just let the Lord have his way and guide us. So thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.